Hey everyone, Frank with ICH Performance. We're back today with another product overview, and today we're going to be going over the Elevate spindles that we offer and breaking down the two different styles, the bomber and the lightweight version. This is going to be for the Polaris, Axis, and Matrix snowmobiles. So kind of covering which spindle is going to be best for your riding style and your sled build. Maybe you're looking to achieve a certain weight on your sled, or just catering to what your goals are as a rider. So we're gonna break it down for you and go over each and the differences between the two, and then what you can expect to see for performance gains. So we'll start with our bomber style. This is what we've had out the longest. It's been out for a few seasons now and is 1 inch taller than stock. Same with the lightweight version. Both are going to be 1 inch taller than stock, but the bomber style stays true to its name, where it is super strong and bomb proof, and it's going to be able to hold up to anything you throw at it on snow, big hits, hard landings, rocks and stumps underneath the snow. This fully forged piece will be able to take all of that abuse while still giving you all of the handling performance that we look for in the Elevate spindles, which is going to be more predictability on edge, easier to side hill, higher center of gravity with that 1 inch taller dimension. So more snow clearance as well, less drag, and you can ride the sled more neutral and will be less fatiguing at the end of the day for the rider, and just overall make a more playful sled, but not introduce any sort of negative effects. So both of these, again, same dimension, 1 inch taller than the 36 inch React front end. The lightweight version is something new that we released in 2023, and visually you can see it has additional cutouts and pockets on the spindle, which reduces weight, actually makes it lighter than the factory spindle, while being able to shed snow and ice in these pockets, not hanging on to any extra weight at all. So very minimalistic piece, but still very strong. It's that forged aluminum that we make out of the bomber style as well. So you can still depend on this, but is maybe catered to a rider who is chasing weight. So if you have a machine, Axis or Matrix, that you put a titanium can on, or a lightweight hood, or internal titanium parts, things of that nature, I may push that customer toward the lightweight spindle, because those pieces can add up and make a big difference in weight savings and a higher performing snowmobile, and obviously still getting all of the performance out of the Elevate spindle with the 1 inch taller dimension. So that's kind of the difference between the two, and why one may be better for you than the other. So just to reiterate, bomber style, very strong, similar to our bomber rails that we offer, gonna be able to hold up to anything you throw at it. Lightweight version for those chasing weight on their snowmobile, or just they like the appearance of this one a little bit better, but still going to be very strong since it's a forged aluminum piece. So that's the breakdown between the two. If you have any additional questions that we didn't cover in this video, don't hesitate to reach out. We are happy to help. So give us a shout. Our number is 406-763-0365. Thanks again for watching.